Solve this one. Which line passes through the points? First point is x is negative 1, y is negative 2. And the second point is x is 2, y is positive 7. Okay, first, we have to solve for the slope. Kunin muna natin yung slope natin dito. So, ito yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1. This is the x sub 2 and the y sub 2. Okay, so we will use the formula of the slope. That is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So m or the slope is substitute natin yung value ng ating y sub 2 which is positive 7. Then minus, tapos yung y sub 1 natin is negative 2. So negative 2. Then divided by yung x sub 2 natin is positive 2, then minus yung x sub 1 is negative 1. Okay, then m is equal to 7, so multiply natin negative times negative 2, so that is positive 2 over 2, so negative times negative 1, so that is positive 1. So m equals 7 plus 2 is 9 over 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So yung m or the slope is 3. Okay, so ngayon gagamitin natin itong slope sa ating next na formula, which is m equals y minus y sub 1, okay, over x minus x sub 1. So ngayon pipili tayo dito sa dalawang point. So pipiliin natin yung first point. So ito yung x sub 1 natin, ito yung y sub 1. So yung m which is 3, okay, equals y minus y sub 1 is negative 2 over x, tapos minus x sub 1 is negative 1. Okay, then 3 equals y, simplify natin yan, so that is y plus 2. Okay, negative times negative 2, that is positive 2 over x, tapos plus 1. Yung gagawin natin dito, i-cross multiply natin. So, unahin natin to pag-multiply si 3 times x. So, the result is 3 times x plus 1 equals, di ba mayroong over 1 dyan? So, 1 times y plus 2. So, that is y plus 2. And then, i-distribute natin yan. So, 3 times x. So, that is 3x. Dito tayo sa taas. 3x. Then, 3 times 1. That is positive 3. Okay, then equals y plus 2. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-transpose natin si y at saka si 3. Si y, i-transpose natin sa left side. Si 3, i-transpose natin sa right side. So, magiging 3x. Itong y, i-transpose natin dito, magiging negative y equals 2. Kopyahin natin yan. Hindi siya na-change. Si positive 3, transpose natin sa right. So, magiging negative 3. So, 3x minus y equals negative 1. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So, sa choices natin, so letter A is the correct answer. Bye-bye.